So we said incest is sexual relations with what? Blood relatives, right? And we read, we said that it is forbidden in the Bible, and it is punishable by death, and Paul condemned it. He condemned a man who and his stepmother had relations. So today we are going to talk about effects of incest. Effects are just like results. What is the end result? Number one, it brings shame and guilt to the parties. For example, if someone had sexual intercourse with their own father, and people know, you'll feel guilty. Of course, someone will feel guilty and shame. It also destroys relationships. If two cousins have relations and people know, they can destroy the relationship of both families. It may also lead to divorce. If you discover your own wife, later in life you're going to have a wife, right? And then you're told your wife and the cousin have sexual intercourse. Will you divorce her? No, you will forgive her. Yes, we need people like those ones in this world. Those ones who are very forgiving. Yes. But the way I know men of our culture, forgiving is another story. Very few can forgive, very few. They are there, but very few. It also destroys self-respect and your own dignity. When you think about it, you are the one who's committed incest, and you think about it, it's going to mess you around. It's going to, you're going to diminish your own self-respect and self-esteem, especially in front of the person that you had relations with, because you're going to see them often. Remember, you're related. May also lead to pregnancy and therefore abortion. Can you have a child with your own sister? No. You can't. It also defiles the body, because we've said it is the Bible is against it. And the victims may contract HIV, AIDS, or STIs. So that means people should not have sexual intercourse with their own relatives.